Hi, Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and today I'm unboxing my Studio Calico Mega Roller Date Stamp. This is the new one called Hand Lettered, and I've never had one of these before because I don't do a lot of date stamping, but I saw this and I just thought it would be really cool to use in my Bible journaling and to show you guys because I thought some of you guys would get a kick out of it. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so you guys are gonna just laugh when you see how big this thing is. It is super big, and it is a date stamp. And so it runs, I think, from 2000 and I want to say 7. Let me just double check for you. 2016 through 2027. It's got all the dates on it, January through December, again, of 2016, all the way through 2023. And this is the new one. So this one is the stamping one that has the hand lettering. So it looks like it's hand lettered instead of the classic version. So there are not a lot of these that have come out, but they're really cool. It's made by a person. Studio Calico is the one who sells it, but it's a Jasmine Jones brand here. And for reference, for those of us who have the Illustrated Faith stamp, there it is. That is how big this thing is. So I thought it would be fun just to kind of show it to you and maybe stamp a couple ones in our Bibles and see what it looks like. But I just thought it was so fun. I thought we could totally just have a lot of fun with it. So let me just move this to April. So to move it, you just twist it. And I can just see that you keep it like right by your desk. And then just anytime you're like you're doing your Bible journal, just like gotta like pound it on there. So let's do April 12th, 2020. Let's get it all the way to 2021. Oh my goodness. It's kind of hard actually to turn these. My hands aren't the way they used to be, let me tell you. So do you guys have this? I would love to know. If you have one of these mega stamp rollers, let me know what you do with yours. Because, I mean, they're cool, but they're super huge. These retail actually for $34.99. I got mine for 6% off, and they threw like an extra like die cut in with the order. Scrapbook.com usually has like special deals and things like that. So sometimes they do that. So, okay, so April 12, 2021. Let me just grab some ink here so we can see what it looks like. First, let's just stamp it on some regular paper. So let me just grab some index card for you so you can just see it. And I'm going to ink it, see if I can get it on the first ink. Now I'm going to have to do it a couple times. This thing is massive. So you just push it down like that. April 12th, 2021. It's massive. So let's do it in our Bible here. See what it looks like. So I'm just using some archival ink here. Man, is that big? It's actually perfect for your illustrating Bible. So let me try that with you. So for those of you wondering, I'm using a Ranger archival ink here. You're seeing a little ghosting on the back, but not too bad. So let me just grab here my illustrating Bible, which is a huge Bible, right? So we can check this out. Let's just do it on a plain piece of paper. Or just the side. I'll do this one. I'll do this page later. But let's just ink it on there and see what it looks like. You could do it up the side. I'll just do it on the side and see what that looks like. That's cool. April, I mean, it's super huge. You guys, sometimes I buy things because they crack me up. And for reference, let me just show you this one. So this is the Illustrated Faith one, but I'll just show you. It's a lot easier to turn these little ones, let me tell you. And let me just change this one. We'll do the exact same one so you can see for reference. April 12th, 2021. All right, so get my Stampin' ink here. Look at the difference. But I do love the handwriting font. I just think that is really cool. And I think this would be just so fun to just kind of have around every now and again. And if you want to put your date on there with like some emphasis, you could do it. You could totally do it. So let me know what you think of this. Are you going to get one of these, or do you have one? I would love to know what you use yours for. I hope this was fun for you as it was for me. Have a good day. Goodbye.